Hey guys, wanted to share my mango flowers. Check it out here, beginning of February, and you can see this is my carry. You can see right on the top there, you got flowers coming. And actually, let me go show you. I got my lettuce here that I've been eating from, and my tomatoes, which are doing awesome. This is the Miami Winamina, and with that cold spell we had, we lost all the leaves, but it's coming back. Got some more tomatoes here. Got some carrots, onions. Check this out, guys. My Glen. Look at all the flowers. I trimmed these over here. All these trees, I want to keep them shorter, and I already got a really good harvest. But this one I left on purpose, didn't cut it this year, so that I could get a lot of flowers, and look, it's loaded with flowers again. So, and I love Glens. They taste really great. It's one of those traditional mangoes that I just love. And if you look up here, you can see, and you can't see them too well now, but they do have flowers on the top of my white mango. And my Kent, I don't expect it to flower because I cut it back pretty good. It's been getting leaves now, but I would imagine this year I'm not going to get anything from that, pretty sure. Maybe even next year. Anyway, just wanted to give you an update on my mango trees and all the flowers. In about 4 months, God willing, I'll be enjoying lots of great tasty mangoes. Thanks for watching, guys.